This game looks like a platformer, right? Well, yeah, but when you look at this, now it's more like a puzzle platformer. Well, now there are enemies, and boss battles, and quests. Hi, I'm Vector, and I'm making a game called The Tale of LUMI. And I've been changing my game's description ever since I started working on this game. The game started as a simple platformer, then it became a skill-based platformer, at some point a puzzle platformer, and lately I've been using 2D action platformer, which seems to fit the game a little bit better. Now, on the surface, who cares, right? It's not like it's super important. Well, wrong. You see, how we developers present our games is very important for players when they consider buying our game, as well as when they get to play the game. So when I say it's a puzzle platformer, but most of the game the player is fighting enemies, then it's not really a puzzle platformer, is it? This constant change on how we address the game might also relate to the fact that the game has changed ever since its first prototype, which in my case it definitely has. The prototype was very platforming, challenge focused, and we still have that in the game, but we added so many new features and ideas that the game itself has grown and it's no longer just about platforming, but rather the adventure of this little guy, Atlas, and his journey to save the kingdom of Lumi from chaos. Wait, should I call my game action adventure then? Maybe not. There's just so much more now. There are puzzles to solve, enemies to fight, quests to complete, items to collect, power-ups to upgrade, boss battles, and even mini-games now. So I guess you can say I went a little bit overboard with this, huh? Games evolve as we develop them, and my little indie game became my biggest project so far. And honestly, I'm loving making this game. It's been great fun, and regardless of how this game is categorized at the finish line, I'm loving the journey. And as much as I want to release this game, I also want to keep working on this forever. Well, maybe not forever. Hey, thanks for watching. I know I haven't shown a lot of new gameplay footage over the past few videos. We have been working super hard to create new features and systems for our game, as well as developing some cool new mechanics that I hope you will enjoy. We'll have more updates coming soon. Take care!